How you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sponge tool. You ready? Come on. The sponge tool is located down here. You right click to get a little menu, and you're going to see down here sponge tool. Shortcut is O. Click like that. Now you have your sponge tool, right? So let's import some pictures so we can work with them. All right, there we go. And then we're gonna work on this one. Now, what the sponge tool really do is very simple and straightforward, right? Well, it's not simple and straightforward, but then if you start understanding it, you understand that it's not so much of a hard to understand tool, right? What it does is it saturates and desaturates, okay? If you look up here on the details, you see here on mode, you have desaturate and then you have saturate, all right? And then you have flow, right? Flow is actually how much flow of the desaturation do you want, right? Yes, how much? 50% is enough, it's in between, right? So 50% is better. So let's see how it really works, right? So right now I'm on desaturation, keep that in mind. So every time I click somewhere, as you can see, right? Let me say I just wanna desaturate all these flowers right here, right? I'm just gonna enlarge my brush. It's Alt, right click on the mouse and then move to the right, move to the left to make it lower like that. Okay, let's do it. Click, drag. As you can see, I am losing a lot of color. I'm losing a lot of color. A lot of color, right? What I can do though, I can duplicate this picture so I can make a side-by-side comparison. You see that? Just like so, right? Right. So now I'm gonna click and drag like this, and you can see I'm losing a lot of colors, a lot of colors. Look at that, right? The flowers are becoming more colorless. I know you are seeing this in real life, right? Great. Now let's see the before. That's the before, the after, before, after, before, after. You see that? Yes. So how do we then do the saturation, right? Let's remove this picture. Let's delete it. Let's duplicate it again. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna use this one picture for the example. I come up here and I change the mode to saturate, right? See what it does now, it adds saturation to the image, right? Every area that you brush adds more coloring. It makes the colors more vibrant, so to say, right? Okay, let's use the flowers as an example. I'm gonna click and drag, okay, put more colors in there. Look at that. I'm making it more saturated, making it more colorful. Wow, look at that. All right, look at that. Great. Now let's see the before and after, before and after, right? Yes, this is not about just flowers and things. No, it's any type of picture, right? So you can like manipulate a picture like this, right? How about the pool? I think that's more in front of your face, like it's gonna be more simple now. All right, so let's do it. Click the pool and desaturate it. Look at that. The color is being lost so quickly, so simple. Wow, right? What I like about this tool is it picks where it wanna works. You know, unlike just making the whole property and just changing the whole picture. No. It changes what you pick, right? The area you pick. Control Z to go back. You see the difference? After, before, and after. Okay? Now how about if maybe we wanna saturate it? Saturate it, just add more coloring, right? Maybe even make the flow 100%, right? We're gonna add more coloring, so we're gonna make it more blue. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Watch this, amazing. Wow, wow. So now the pool is more blue. Before and after, before and after, right? Yes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the sponge tool. Very cool, very straightforward. It's very good for those who do pictures, who do photography and edit photography. This is a very, very, very good tool for them. And yeah, you can use it to anything. It's very useful according to me, right? Even though I don't use it much, you know, but then it's useful. It's very good. It attacks right where you want it to attack, right? Yes. So that is the sponge tool. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to use the pen tool. And when I say the pen tool, I'm gonna combine everything here at once. All of this, I'm gonna put everything here in one video because all of this is almost working at the same time, right? Great. See you in a scroll.